Thanks to your boss. You're a Jira admin now, but where do you even start? Jira's admin panel can feel overwhelming. A lot of settings, schemes, configurations. It's a lot. In this video, I will show you the essentials to get an overview first. Hey, I'm Marvin. I work at Resolution as a technical support engineer in DevOps. Today, I will be your Jira Safari guide. We will cover what matters, skip what doesn't, and you will know where to click when something breaks. So let's go with the first short Jira Essential video.
This is my time. I'm on the rise. Can't hold me down, I'm too fly. This is my time. Ready to shine. Brighter than all of the lights. 'Cause when it's game time.
In this video, we will discuss the admin settings. There are two types of admins. There's a site or system admin for global settings, users, security, and apps. You will find it under the gear icons. Then there's a space admin. Here you will find settings for one project only or one space only. You can decide about permission, workflows, work types, but only for that project. Before we continue with some more details about these admin types, let's have a look in our demo instance. I have already two tabs open and logged in successful. In this first screen, you will see it if you click here on the gear and system. You will find, more or less all system or general configuration parts. I will show or talk about some useful settings later, but these settings here you can only change or see if you're a site or system administrator. As an opposite or a different space admin, here I just open or logged into our support space, and you will see here some more permissions are not really, not only permissions, it's also about the space and the look and feel for only one space. And this setting can be changed by a space admin. In this video, we will only talk about the site admin things, so about the system settings we will get here via the gear and system. And there will be another video about this space administration. So before we continue to go or to have a deeper dive into the site admin thing, just to remember, the site admin controls the platform and the space admin controls one space. So let's start with the global settings tour. We have already switched to our instance and have this global administration area open. So there are already this general configuration part. Let me click this or close this banner. And here you could change it as an example, the base URL or the template which is sent in the email. You can also change the default user time zone and the default language. That's settings, yes, as you can see, there are already installed languages by Atlassian default. You can change it here. Yeah, that's up to your needs and how you want to present the Jira to your user base. Let's have a look at the look and feel. That is also important to have a look here. Here you could change the navigation color, the date and time formats. So it's more like a look and feel thing. It's like how do you want to present your Jira to your users. So it's kind of useful for branding, and you could also upload a new icon or a new logo. But let's have a look at the default user preferences. Here, the settings, there are the default values for users which have not changed it yet. So here you could, as an example, change the outgoing email format. You could also change the value of work items, which will be displayed per each page. Another useful interface is the default dashboard. If you're already familiar with dashboard, you maybe will skip it. But if it's the first time you use Jira, you can build a dashboard, or even every user could build an own dashboard. But there's also a default dashboard, and here you could change the look and feel for this default dashboard. Now let's move on to this announcement banner. This is maybe interesting if you want to show a message for all users which are using your Jira instance, like there's a maintenance work or something different. So let's just write here a text like demo. You could choose a color and also decide if the users can dismiss this banner or show if this banner will be shown to the user and if it will be a public one. That's depending on your how do you want to use Jira. If I will now click Publish Now, you will see that there's this announcement banner at the top. And I also allowed to dismiss this banner, so I could, as a user, click on the X to dismiss it. Most of these are fine at defaults. The errors you will most are using later are the user management and project or space configuration. So in part 2 of our video series, we will tackle user management, the things that impact access and licensing. See you there.
This is my time.